Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Pooja Sharma, one of the main accused in the Asagaon house demolition case, had filed an anticipatory bail application after 8 days of the demolition incident, which happened on June 22nd. On Wednesday, the Sessions Court Panjim adjourned the hearing of the case to Friday. Is Pooja Sharma innocent? What does her lawyer and senior counsel, Advocate Surendra Desai, have to say about Pooja Sharma's involvement in the case? He also gave the whereabouts of Pooja Sharma. Listen in.
Has been listed or day after tomorrow in the afternoon. In the meantime, we had claimed protection by way of interim bail. The court observed that interim bail is implied when the notice is issued.
Sir, why matter is adjourned? You have sought adjournment.
Because they filed a big reply now alleging against my client. So it will demonstrated that she is innocent.
Sir, what is your say regarding that allegations leveled against you?
Absolutely false. I have nothing to do with this.
But
I am just brought in.
But she is owner of the land.
Yes, owner. Possibly somebody had in between created a problem. We wanted to remove some 14 or 60 lakh something.
Okay, sir. So where she is there, Pooja Sharma?
She is there in Bombay.
Member of Parliament South Goa Captain Viriato Fernandes on Wednesday met Union Minister for Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari and appraised him of the issues faced by villagers with reference to proposed Bori Bridge and highway issue. He also requested him to meet the affected people on his ensuing visit to Goa.
Member of Parliament South Goa Captain Viriato Fernandes has started taking up Goa issues with the centre. On Wednesday, he met Union Minister for Road Transport Highway Nitin Gadkari. He apprised Gadkari about the extreme anxiety and concern of farmers on the construction of the proposed Borim Bridge. Viriato told Gadkari that the approach road and bridge will destroy the khazans and agricultural land. He also raised the issue how people of Lotoli, Novem, Chinchanim, Kunkolim, Bhoma village would be affected with highway expansion. He discussed about the possible solutions to the above issues. Viriato requested Gadkari to take the main stakeholders, namely farmers and villagers, into confidence. He also sought time from the minister to meet the delegation of Congress leadership of Goa, also the affected villagers, during his visit to Goa next week.
On Wednesday, the General Secretary of BJP's Margaon Mandal, Ketan Kurtarkar, and his MMC councillor sister, Sushanta Amonkar, resigned from the BJP. Kurtarkar openly alleged that prominent and grassroots BJP cadres were being sidelined by Margaon MLA Digambar Kamath and work was being blocked. If by being in the ruling party he cannot give justice to his people, he said he preferred to resign and give justice to them. He fired a warning shot that this is happening to BJP all over Goa.
खंयतरी आमकां जे पळय मेन जे पळय कोण कोण कार्यकर्ते आसा तांकां सायडलायन करता, तांची कामां आसा ती अडवून दवरता आनी कितें काय म्हटल्यार जी तांचे जे पळय जे कार्यकर्ते आतां जॉईन जाल्यात कळ्ळें न्ही, तांकां पयली प्रिफरन्स मेळटा प्रत्येक कामाक हें जाता. सो हें जाता आसतना आमी खूबदां वयरूय कळयलें, मंडळा प्रेसिडेंटाकूय म्हाजे कळयलें की अशें अशें जाता, हें सारकें न्ही, कळ्ळें तुका. आनी हें सारकें न्ही कित्याक ताजो तो रिजल्ट आसा पळय तो गेल्ल्या इलेक्शनाक तुमी पळयला कितें जालो तो. जो मनीस आपल्याक 4,500-4,500 लीड घेवन येतालो ताका ह्या इलेक्शनाक कितें जालें हेंय तुमी पळयलां. हें कित्याक जालें तर खंय तरी आतां तशें म्हणटा तुमी कोणी म्हणटले की तुमी आमी एंटी केले काय म्हणून. आमी एंटी बिंटी तशें कांय करूं ना, नाल्यार तुमी पार्ट वायज काडून पळयात. आमी जे कितें पक्षान आसतना जे कितें पक्षा खातीर काम करता तें केलांच, ते 100% दिलात, गद्दारी ना. पण आज बसून ओपनली कित्याक वता, आज ओपनली वता पक्ष एक्चुअली सत्तेर आसा, सत्तेर आसतना हांव सत्ता सोडून ऑपोजिशनान रावता. हें कित्या खातीर रावता तर म्हाज्या लोकां खातीर आनी म्हाज्या जे जे पळय लोकांचे विशय आसा ताका न्याय दिवपा खातीर हांव हें करता. कित्याक तर सत्तेन आसून समज जर न्याय मेळना, सत्तेन आसून समज जर आमच्या वाठाराक हे कोम सारकेल्या भागाक समज न्याय मेळना, लोकांच्या विशयाक समज न्याय मेळना, जाल्यार म्हाका ती सत्तेची गरज ना. ऑपोजिशनान बसून तांचे विशय काडपाक शकता.
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
Health Department and PHCs across Goa has taken measures to prevent mosquito breeding and spread of dengue during the monsoon. Fogging was conducted in various parts of the state and awareness campaigns were held. But despite all the efforts from the Health Department, the dengue cases and vector-borne diseases are rising rapidly. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people regarding the spread of dengue cases and vector-borne diseases despite taking preventive measures.
डेंगू मलेरियाचे केसीस हाली खूप वाडपाक लागले. लोक सीक पडपाक लागले. ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक जोराची लक्षणां दिसपाक लागले. कन्सर्न जे डिपार्टमेंटां आहात, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, म्युनिसिपालिटीज, पंचायती, हेंच्यांनी हेचेर सिरियस दखल घेवपाक जाय. हेंच्यांनी चॅक करपाक जाय जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटी आहा जे कितलीशीं वर्सां बंद आसा, गव्हर्मेंट जावं प्रायवेट कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट जावं, थंय तेंच्यांनी जे टाकये उदीक सांठवता थंयसर तेंच्यांनी चॅक करपाक जाय आनी तांकां ते टाकये पॅक करून दवर म्हणून सांगपाक जाय आनी गरज ना जाल्यार ते पुरून उडोवपाक जाय. सो जे कन्सर्न वॉर्ड मेंबर्स आहात, वॉर्ड कावन्सिलर्स आहात, मागीर पंच मेंबर्स आहात, तेंच्यांनी हेचेर लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. चेअरपर्सनान लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. कितें हो एक सिरियस इश्यू सारको. लास्ट इयर आमी पळयलां की लोक मेले सुद्दां डेंगू जावन. डेंगू जातकूच मागीर प्लेटलेट्स कमी जाता आनी मागीर त्रास जाता लोकांक सारको. सो हे केसीस वाडोवंक जर जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळ्यांनी हातभार लावपाक जाय. लोकांनी सुद्दां हातभार लावपाक जाय. लोकांनी सुद्दां प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स घेवपाक जाय. कितें जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे जे MLAs आहात तेंच्यांनी आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. कितें आनी हे कंट्रोल करपाक सरकाराक तेंच्यांनी हेल्प करपाक जाय. आमी हे पळय हो इशू असो न्हू की आमी एकामेकाचेर बोट दवरूंक शकता. हो इशू सगळ्यांचो इशू. ओके, सो सगळ्यांनी हातभार लावन जी बाकीची डिपार्टमेंटां आहा तेंच्यांनी सिरियसनेस घेवन फॉगिंग कन्सर्न वॉर्डांनी, पंचायतीच्या वॉर्डांनी सगळे कडेन करपाची गरज आसा. आनी हो इनिशिएटीव पंच मेंबर्स आहा, कावन्सिलर्स आहा, हेंच्यांनी घेवपाक जाय. बाबा आपल्या वॉर्डान फॉगिंग आपूण करून घेवपाक जाय म्हणून. ओके, सो आमी सगळे एकामेकाक साथ दिवन ते डेंगू आनी मलेरिया जे दुयेंस आहा ते कंट्रोल करपाक प्रयत्न करया.
I feel that all the measures are not taken out by the health department. The health department in such situations has to immediately take measures to control the menace. One South Goa child, 5 years old, has expired with dengue. The entire state of Goa is busy with the demolition of Asagaon house, despising the dengue outbreak. There is a dengue outbreak even in Panchim. It affects the young and the very old. I know some 80-year-old person who has got dengue fever. Fortunately, it was identified early. There should be outlets for like COVID on war footing at various urban health centers, in the village centers, health centers, in other places also for testing blood. The health department should send out their inspectors to check stagnation of water. In Panjim city also dengue is very prevalent. The fevers are high. Sometimes it is asymptomatic, sometimes symptomatic. When fevers are high, people should take precaution and immediately check the blood test. So for that, government has to gear itself to have blood tests. It is expensive to do blood tests in private laboratories. Very expensive.
Good. Today is a very sad situation if you see, because if you see our fields are flooded, especially I'll give you an example of Talegaon. Our fields are flooded in Talegaon and all the outlets are all been blocked because of rise in construction, because of widening of roads. They have not made inlet and outlet access for the waters. So due to which continuously stagnation of water happens in the fields. Secondly is, if you see in our vicinity, a lot of construction is happening around in Talegaon, and they have open spaces, they have pits where water is collected, as well as there is contamination happening, and neighboring places around have got lot of mosquitoes. Now we residing in Talegaon, we can't keep our doors open post 6:30 because you have continuous flooding of mosquitoes into the areas. So this is something that has to be looked on and has to be, you know, worked on from panchayat level as well as municipality level, which is not happening. And as much as we do the spraying and all, it's less you know, effective, because it might just have it for like one day. What happens the rest of the days?
In a tragic incident, 32-year-old Leona Lobo was found murdered at an under-construction site at Kortali on late Tuesday night. Within 24 hours, the Verna police arrested his friend Alex Coutinho, 34, for murdering his friend with a cement block over a dispute about a bottle of alcohol. The accused was also present at the crime scene during the police investigation and had attempted to mislead the police.
Verna police station has registered a crime under section 103 of Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. In a swift action, we called for forensic science personnel and the team, the photographers, everyone appeared at the spot. PI Verna, Melson Culasso, SDPO Vasco, Mr. Salim Sheikh appeared at the spot. I too joined them in the wake-up. And then what we found was the dead body of this Pinku lying in the pool of blood, having head injuries, a crack, complete crack on this thing, and a block of cement block by the side of his body. Blood splashed everywhere and totally smashed. So during the course of inquiry, we came to know that this deceased and others used to sit over there drinking, consuming alcohol heavily, and used to sleep there only. Now when we rounded up Mr. Alex Coutinho, son of Xavier Francis Coutinho, he is also aged 34 years, of Mada Kortali. He was also the friend of his deceased, and around a week back they had a brawl over drinks, wherein he was given he had taken a full bottle of drinks. They had both consumed drinks, and the leftover bottle was taken by the deceased and gone. So this Alex was very much annoyed and he was waiting for an opportunity. Now, having consumed alcohol yesterday around 7 o'clock, he found the victim Pinku sleeping in the under construction site, and he was also drunk. This Alex also was drunk. In a fit of anger, he took the block of a cement and hit it on his head, causing his death on the spot. And that's how we have detected. We have already arrested Alex Coutinho now at 11 o'clock at Verna police station. The dead body, after the Panchanama, after collecting the required exhibits and samples through forensic science laboratory, has been sent for preservation for conducting post-mortem.
Madam, we hear as per sources that the accused was present yesterday when the police was there at the site. Is it true?
Exactly. So first of all, when he came out after doing that, he saw people over there, and he said that somebody killed him, and I could find, because I think he was wanting to go, but then when he found the people outside, that is why he made a little bit made a hue and cry, and these laborers went, and so that's how they went. They informed this garage owner and the under construction site owner, Mr. Barad.
The Sangay Deputy Collector's administrative building and the adjacent fish market are in poor condition. Inside the building, water is reportedly leaking from the ceiling and the walls of the shops are damaged. The condition of the building is so bad that even trees have started growing inside the building. Building construction rods are exposed and pose danger to the people. The bad market condition is forcing people to keep away from shopping. This in turn has affected the business of the market vendors, who are demanding the municipality to clean and renovate the market.
Sangin Market, which has become less of a market and more of a scrapyard, has left the vendors and market goers frustrated and infuriated. The clogged gutters of the fish market are producing a strong odor. Iron pavers have rusted, posing a danger to people coming to buy fish. The flow of urine water from a pipe causes a foul smell that deters people from entering, resulting in losses for the shopkeepers.
आता ही जी तुम्ही पळयतात हे झाड जे हे गार्डन न्हू ही जावन आसा कलेक्टराची बिल्डींग, न्यू बिल्डींग, आणि हे बिल्डिंगेकच तेको नुस्तेकारां असतात तशी ह्या बिल्डिंगे भितरच भाजीकारां असतात. पूण पळोवंक शकतात हांगा ही जी ही बिल्डिंगेची परिस्थिती कितें जाली ती सगळे झाडां येयल्ल्या, शेळ येयल्ल्या, आणि तशेंच कितलीशींच वर्सां जाली हे जे नुस्तेकार आसात ते आपल्याक बेजीक जी फॅसिलिटीज आसा, भाजीकार आसा हे आपल्याक बेजीक फॅसिलिटीज आसात त्यो दियात म्हणून सारखे फाटी लागल्यात. पूण तरी सुद्धा जी म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील आसा ह्यो मागणी ज्यो आसा त्यो अजून पर्यंत तेंचे कंप्लीट करपाक पावना. आता हे पळयात, हे जे आसा हे उदक व्हांवता ते मुताचें उदक तशेंच पावळेचें उदक सगळें मिक्स उदक हे सकयल येवन हांगा सगळ्याक पसरलेलें आसा. हे पळयात, आनी हांगचे लोक सांगतात की हे वासान तांकां जे लोक येवपाक जाय, गिरायक येवपाक जाय ते कांय येयना आनी ते खातीर तांकां खातीर लॉस जाता. आतां पळयात हे फिश मार्केट, हे फिश मार्केटाक हे पळयात ही जी हे घातलेले आसा सगळे पेवर्स टायप हे सगळे भितर गेल्ले आसा आनी सगळे जे आसा भितरल्यान जी घाण आसा ती सगळे तेजो वास मारता. तशीच फाटल्यान गटरां आसा ती सगळी तुंबलेली आसा, तेणे तेजे किडे पडलेले आसा. अजून पर्यंत म्युनिसिपालिटीन तेजेर लक्ष दिवना. तशेंच वयर पळयात सगळ्यो वायऱ्यो लांबलेल्यो आसा, लायटी लांबलेल्यो आसात, केन्नाय लोकांचे पडोंक शकतात. मागीर बिल्डिंगेच्या उजवे सायडीन पळयात, ही बिल्डिंगेच्या उजवे सायडीन पळयात हे रोड जे आसात कितलेशीच बिल्डिंग जालेल्याक भायर येवन आसलेले आनी ते रोड अजुनूय तशेंच आसात. आनी हे केन्नाय कोणाक समज रातचे येयले या कोणाक खबर ना रोडा बद्दल तेका तोपोंक शकता आनी तेका मरण येवंक शकता. आनी तशेंच जमनीर बी रोड आसा ते पांयां लोकांच्या घुसोन आसा, त्या खातीर बाटली घालून दवरले आसा. आतां हे पळयात तेजे मुखार अशी घाण सगळी. आनी हांगचे जे नुस्तेकार बसता, भाजीकार बसता, ह्या दुकानदार आसात तेंची जी वयल्यान पावसाक जे उदक गळपाचें काम हे सतत चालू आसता आनी तेंचें म्हणणें आसा अशें समज घाण उरली जाल्यार हांगा डेंगू, मलेरिया सारखे जे रोग आसा ते पसरपाक टायम लागपाना. कारण लोकां भितर खंय तरी भंय येयल्लो आसा, एक मरण जे डेंगूक लागून जाल्लें आसा त्या खातीर. आनी हे लोकांची मागणी आसा म्युनिसिपालिटीन जी तेंची डिमांड केल्ली आसा ती अजून बरें केली ना. ती बेगीन जाता तितले बेगीन सगळी हे जी नुस्त्या मार्केट आसा ह्यो बेजीक फॅसिलिटीज ज्यो आसा हे तांकां प्रोवायड करचे. हेराल्ड टीव्ही खातीर गौरेश सतरकर.
चेअरपर्सना मे म्हयन्याक फोन केल्लो फाटले गटर क्लीन कर म्हूण. ती म्हणपा लागली धाडटा. हांवें म्हणलें एक येयन तरी चोयाय म्हणलें, कित्याक आख्खें हें जीव जाल्ले तूं भितर. ह्यो जाळी पळय न्हू, ह्यो मोडोन पडपाच्यो, लोक पांय बी हें जाताय. कोणू कॅर येयना तेंचे, कोण तेंगे मास्तरूय येयना अशी चोवपाक. ती त्या दिसान तेणें कोणा धाडलो ना पासून ते क्लीन कर म्हणल्यार. हां ते साय बोल्लो रे गटर बोल्लो हा कळ्ळें तुका, कांय येना. तूं जर गाडी पडली न्हू कोण हें आहा सांग म्हाका. आतां हिंग तो बुधवारा बाजार पडटा, हिंग गाडी येताय, ह्यो जाळी भितर गेले ते न्यू घालपाय न्हू. कोण जायना, कोणा खबर ना. ही पस घेवपा येताय म्युनिसिपालिटी, लायटी वायर बियर ते सकयल लांबताय, कोण करतलो. हेशी मुरास मारपाक, मुरास पासून मारनाय स्लीप जाताय लोक. भितर तें उदक व्हांवता वयलें टॉयलेटीचें बुटाचें जालें वास सारको एक. आमी दुयेंस येवन मरपा मरे हिंगा. कोण कांय हेंच घेयना मरे, एक्शन ना हिंगा. कितें रे
मार्केटान कितलीं वर्सां जालीं, 10 वर्सां जालीं. त्या मार्केट सोडून ह्या मार्केटान येयले जाल्यार हे म्युनिसिपालिटीन आमकां एक टॉयलेट म्हणटा तितल्या वर्सां आमकां अजून दिवना. कितले मागले आमी तेंचे कडेन, कितले निवडून येयले, कितल्याय जाणां कडेन आमी मागले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी आमकां एक फायदो केलना. तेन्ना आमकां ते टॉयलेट दिना. आतां आमकां एक टॉयलेटूय दिल्यार पुरो जाता न्हू. हांगा आमी खंय वयतलीं, पावस येता, पावसांतल्यान खंय वयतलीं आमी. आमकां एक टॉयलेट दिया न्हू तुमी. कितले फावटी म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन मागले जाल्यार ते आमकां टॉयलेट दिना. आनी हो बाजार पळय आमकां गिरायक जायना. सगळे फुडल्यान सायकलकार रस्त्यान नुस्तें घेवन बसताले, आतां मातशें बंद जाला. तो वयलो एकटोच आसा न्हू इस्कॉला कडेन, तो बंद कोण करिना दिसता ते आमकां खबर.
The municipal council has provided space for vegetable vendors inside the building, but due to water entering from the main door and leaking from the floor, they are forced to sit at the entrance of the building. Vegetable and fish vendors have been complaining about these issues for many years, but the municipal council has failed to find solutions for these problems.
कस्टमर कोण येना, सगळ्याक उदक सगळं वयर सगळं गळोन सगळं उदक पडटा आनी निसरोन सुद्दां कितलीं जाण कस्टमर बी पडल्यान गेली आनी ती म्युनिसिपालिटीची सुद्दां येवन निवळ बी कांयच करना हांगा आनी झाडां बिडां जाल्यार ती सगळी तेका लागून ती सगळी बिल्डींग हें जावन हांगा सगळें गळटा आनी ते सायडीच्या वावजोड मारून बी सगळें उदक भितर येता.
तुम्ही हेजी पयलीं कोणाक सांगले, कंप्लेन बी केल्ली हेजी?
कंप्लेन म्हळ्यार हांवें सद्या नवेंच चालू केला, म्हाका 5-6 म्हयने जाले चालू केल्या. म्हाका पयलींची सारकी
आनी पयलीं एका तुका त्रास जावपा लागलो?
हय, फस्ट एका त्रास जावपा लागले सगळे.
सगळें उदक दुकानाक येता?
दुकानार येता आनी भितर सगळें हळशीक जाता सामकें.
तूं कितें सांगपा सोदता म्युनिसिपालिटीक?
मातशें सगळें निवळ करचें आनी गळटा तें मातशें कितें तरी तेणी करचें.
Goresh for Herald TV.
Panjim police have cracked the burglary case at Miramar within 24 hours. They arrested Arman Khan, aged 33 years, from Gokulpuri, northeast Delhi, and Pawan God, aged 22 years, native of Bhiwandi, Maharashtra, who were lodged at a Kolva hotel after committing crime in Panjim and Verna. Nishtha Tiwari of Kazapiris, Miramar, said the accused broke open their front door in the afternoon and stole a Tissot wrist watch, 1 silver spoon, 2 silver bowls, 1 silver pair of earrings, 1 gold pendant and some old currency coins, all worth rupees 75,000 approx. They also committed theft at Verna. Police cautioned people to lock their doors properly in the afternoon when they go to pick up their children from school.
बतानी जो रह गई है वो ये है कि इनके पास से जो हमारे यहाँ उन्होंने पैंजिम में 1 तारीख को ये वारदात की, उसके बाद अगले दिन सुबह इन्होंने वरना पुलिस स्टेशन के एरिया के अंदर भी एक चोरी की थी और वो भी हमने वर्कआउट कर दी है. उसके पास से करीब 3 लाख रुपए का सामान रिकवर हुआ है. ये रिकवरी के सामान अभी इसकी पिक्चर्स आपको हम आपके साथ शेयर कर लेंगे. तो इसमें ये गोवा के अंदर जो इन्होंने 2 वारदात की थी, दोनों वर्कआउट कर ली गई. जी
सर, जो ये अक्यूज्ड है वो स्पेशली चोरी के लिए गोवा में आया था?
जी, अभी तो क्योंकि जो 30 तारीख को इसका आना और अगले दिन ही वारदात कर देना, ये यही दर्शाता है कि इनका जो मेन मोटिव गोवा आने का था वो क्राइम कमिट करने का था.
टोटल कितने का सामान?
3 लाख के करीब जो रिकवरी हुई है वो वरना के उसके अंदर हुई है. अराउंड 60,000 का जो है वो पैंजिम की चोरी का है, तो अराउंड 3.5 लाख यूपी कैन से.
ओके, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन सर आपकी पूरी टीम को. मेरा एक सवाल है कि ये जो आरोपी है उनके ऊपर चोरी के अलावा भी और कुछ क्राइम?
जी, इनके ऊपर हर तरीके के, प्राइमरीली तो जो ये अरमान है इसका सारा क्राइम पैटर्न ये दिखाता है कि ये घर में ताला तोड़ के चोरी करता है. ज़्यादातर इस तरीके के लोग जो होते हैं वो एक ही तरीके के क्राइम में एक्सपर्टीज़ लेके वैसे ही क्राइम करते जाते हैं. तो अरमान का अगर हम देखें तो ऑलमोस्ट सारे क्राइम इसने जो किए हैं वो डे HBT हैं. और जो इसके अलावा जो पवन है उसके ऊपर रॉबरी के ऑफेंसेस हैं. इसका मतलब है ही इज़ अ वायलेंट पर्सन जो यूज़ ऑफ फोर्स भी करता है क्राइम कमिट करने के लिए.
सर, ये लोग कहाँ रह रहे थे गोवा में?
अभी जो इन्होंने इनिशियली बताया ये एक गेस्ट हाउस में रह रहे थे कोलवा में, जहाँ से इन्होंने ये किराए पे बाइक लिया, उसी के पास से.
Upendra for Herald TV.
The Cholla Ghat of Goa is a home to enchanting biodiversity, which includes the Malabar gliding frog. The frogs are a crucial part of the ecosystem. They are responsible for keeping control on the breeding of mosquitoes in the ponds and prevent the insects-borne diseases. The Malabar gliding frogs are endemic to the Western Ghats. Reacting to the situation, environmentalist Rajen Kedkar expressed his concern, stating that if Karnataka government gets the approval of the Khalsa Bandura project from the centre, then the lives of these frogs will be affected.
सैमान निर्माण केलेली जी अप्रूप आसा तातून आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा अस्तम घाटान मलबार ग्लायडिंग फ्रॉग. हो जो बेबो आसा हो विशेषता मलय पर्वत रांग जी आसा म्हणजे जेतून आमच्या अस्तम घाटाचो आस्पाव जाता त्या वाठारान आमकां हो बेबो पळोवपाक मेळटा. इतलो सोबीत आनी सुंदर हो बेबो म्हळ्यार सैमाची करणी जावन आसा आनी त्याचो जो जन्म जाता म्हणजे ब्रिडींग जाल्या उपरांत नर आनी मादी एकत्र येयल्या उपरांत ती जेन्ना तांतयां घालतात ती तांतयां अशा रितीन घालतात की जो फेसाचो घरटो असता त्या घरट्या भितर ही तांतयां असता आनी मागीर ही तांतयां सकयल्या डबक्यान उदकाच्या पडटात आनी मागीर तेतूंतल्यान तेडपोल येता आनी ह्या बेब्याचें जीवन चक्र सुरू जाता. जेन्ना मान्सूनचो पावस येता तेन्नाच आमकां हे सैमाचे अप्रूप पळोवपाक मेळटा. हो जो बेबो आसा हो सैमाचे जे चक्र आसा हे अबाधीत दवरपाचें काम करता. कित्याक तर आमच्या ह्या परिसरान जे जीव जंतू आसा जे मनशाक त्रास करतात पिडा दितात तांकां खावपाचें काम हे बेबे करतात. आयज आमी पळयता की कर्नाटक सरकार जो कळसा भांडुरा प्रकल्प उबारपाक पळयता आनी त्या प्रकल्पाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सुर्ला न्हंयचें उदक जें आसा हें उदक मलप्रभेन व्हरपाक सोदता. तर हो जो वाठार आसा हो वाठार ह्या सुर्ला न्हंयच्या देंगणान येता आनी एकंदर जर हे धरण प्रकल्प ह्या आवाठान येयलो कित्याक कर्नाटकान जे टेक्निकल अप्रुवल तांकां मेळ्ळा तेतून 5 बंधारे जे आसा हे ह्या सुर्ला न्हंयचेर घालपाचे आसा आनी एकंदर अशें जर जालें जाल्यार निश्चितपणान ह्या बेब्याच्या अस्तित्वाचेर घालो जातालो. सैमाचें जे चक्र आसा हे अबाधीत दवरपा खातीर योगदान करपी हो बेबो आमकां तेचें संवर्धन आनी संरक्षण जावपाक जाय. कारण एका वाटेन म्हादय अभयारण्यान दुसऱ्या वाटेन कणकुंबी हांगासले राखीव जंगल क्षेत्र अशा सोबीत 5वेचार वाठारान आमकां हो बेबो पळोवपाक मेळटा. आनी जेन्ना हो बेबो एका झाडा वयल्यान दुसऱ्या झाडाचेर वयता तो जवळ जवळ 10 मीटर विहार करता ताका ग्लायडिंग म्हणटा. आनी तेच्या शरिराची रचना अशी आसता सैमान केल्लेली की ताका बरोबर एका झाडा वयल्यान दुसऱ्या झाडार वचपाक मदत जाता. हो सैमाचो अप्रूप चमत्कार आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. अस्तम घाटान केवळ 1-2 म्हयन्यान मान्सूनाच्या आनी सैम आमकां हे सगळे दिश्टावो दिता आनी ह्या रानाची राखण जाली तरच ह्या बेब्यांचें अस्तित्व जें आसा हें उरतलें.
हांगासर जो गांव आसा त्या गांवाचें नांव आसा सुर्ला गांव जो गोंयाच्या घाट माथ्यार आसा आनी तो गांव 70 तालुक्यान येता. हांगासर तुमी आजूबाजूक सगळे कडेन पळयली जाल्यार उदकाची खुबशी डबकी आसा. म्हटल्यार हांगा भरभरून पावस पडटा आनी अशी उमळ जाता रोखडीच पावस पडून मान्सूनचो पावस पडून आनी खुबशी डबकी तयार जाला. आनी हांगासर तुमी आजूबाजूक पळयली जाल्यार स्वदेशी प्रजातीची जी झाडां आसा त्या झाडांचेर हे फ्रॉग अंडी घालता आपले. म्हटल्यार सगळ्यान पयलीं ते ह्या झाडांचेर आपले घरटे बांदता. फेसाचे तेंचे घरटे आसता पांढऱ्या कलरचे धव्या कलरचे तुमकां घरटे दिसतले हांगासर आनी तेतून ती मागीर आपली अंडी घालता. आनी जेन्ना त्या अंड्यातून ती बारीक बारीक पिलां भायर येता ती सारकी त्याच्या बरोबर सकयल डबके आसा न्हू उदकाचे तेतून पडटा आनी तेंचो फुडलो जीवन चक्र त्या डबक्यान पूर्ण जाता. आनी ह्या बेडकांची एक अशी अजापाची गजाल म्हटल्यार हे बेडूक एका झुडपा वयल्यान कमीत कमी 10 मीटर सुमार दुसऱ्या झुडपाचेर अशी उडी मारूं शकता. म्हटल्यार ते 10 मीटर सुमार हवेंतल्यान विहरत वयता आनी दुसऱ्या झुडपाचेर पावता.
Story by Sagun Gaude for Herald TV.
Kandoli Sports Club edged out Saint Zedi Aryal 4-2 via the tiebreaker to enter into the quarterfinals of the 51st Custodio Memorial Football Tournament. The thrilling match was organised by Raya Sporting Club and played at Raya Panchayat ground on Wednesday.
In the 51st Custodio Memorial Football Tournament, both the teams displayed a hardcore competition to secure a lead but failed to do so. The first half of the match ended in 0-0. After resumption of second half, both teams tried to control the game and making way to penetrate in rival defense. In 9 minutes of the game, Shailesh had the golden opportunity to score, but Aryal goalkeeper saved the 1-1 situation. In resultant tiebreaker, Kandoli netted through Nikhil Naik, Aman Govekar, Ashley Fernandez and Rajat Choprekar, while Aryal Bresel Vigas and Tyson Carvalho found the net. Krupesh Bandodkar, goalkeeper of Kandoli, was awarded man of the match for his outstanding performance under the bar by Cynthia Fernandez. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and alerts, please follow us on YouTube, Facebook and X. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.